Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide followers list on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide followers list on Instagram, all you can do is simply go to Instagram. Once you have gone to Instagram, all you gotta do is simply tap on it, go to the three lines on the top right hand side of the corner and go to account privacy. Now if you tap on the account privacy and make it into a private account, this hides your followers or following list from everyone except the approved followers. So for existing followers, so if you want to hide it from your existing followers as well, you can simply go to your followers list, and on your followers list you need to simply tap on the X option, which will allow them to get removed from your Instagram, making them needing to simply send you a new request to see your private content. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.